was we didn't just do it for fun. We had a purpose. We wanted to use one of our lifecycle functions. Remember that? componentDidMount that runs right after it's added to the DOM. So componentDidMount. And what do we want to happen? We want to focus our content editable. So we need a reference to content editable, right? We've done that before. Let's do it again. Let's add a ref. If you don't remember how you did it, go look where you did it before and try to do the same thing. But this is going to take an argument that will be this component. We'll go ahead and call it input. We don't really need the parentheses because it's the only argument. It's not technically an input, it's a div, but we don't care. And then we're going to save that to a property of our component. So I'm going to say this dot name input equals this input, which means this dot name input will be our content editable. So up in componentDidMount, we can get to it. It'd be super cool if we could just say this dot name input dot focus. So guess what? We can't. So let's see what we can do. If you're not sure, you can always play around in the dev tools. Dev tools are great. So in our React dev tools, let's look for our thing component. There aren't any because I haven't added one yet. Let's add one. All right. Let's just type something in there. What's your favorite brand of marshmallows? Kraft. Good answer. I'm not sure I could name another one. All right. So now we've got a thing. It has props. And now it is available to us in the console as $R. So $R.nameInput is our content editable. So let's see what it can do. This looks interesting. HTML is the actual div. Last HTML looks like it's the value. HTML is the div. So what if we say in componentDidMount this dot name input dot HTML dot focus? We could have tried that in the console, but it wouldn't have worked because the browser window itself didn't have focus. So trying to focus an element within it isn't going to move anything. The console had focus, and that's where it's going to stay. So let's see what this does. How do you feel about it? Oh, look at that cursor. Yes. Add another one. Oh, there's my cursor. All right. Worth it. So autofocus new things.